This man saw the package at the door and decided to steal it. He carefully opened the door, took the package, and walked away. The magazines in the mail must have caught the elderly woman's attention because she stole all of them. Two jackals fighting each other jump into the house's yard. The thieves' goal was to open the door and rob the house. Their plan was simple. They tried for a long time to open the door, but it wouldn't budge. That was supposed to be the easiest part of the plan. But no matter what they did, they just couldn't get the door open. One of the thieves about to break into the house looked around to see if anyone was nearby. Seeing no one around, the thieves quickly went inside. The second thief who jumped over the fence also quickly entered the house, and they stole everything valuable inside. The man knocked on the door, but no one answered. Seeing this, the woman next to him forced her way into the house and broke the camera before entering. These two thieves were going to steal the car or the valuables inside. When the thieves who opened the car door saw someone coming, they started to run away. This man arrived on a bicycle, stole the bench from the porch, and disappeared without a trace. The thief spotted the air compressor in the yard. He walked quickly into the yard, calmly picked up the machine, and walked away. The thief's goal here was to steal the refrigerator on the porch, but the dog started barking and scared him away. The tired man was just about to get out of his car after coming home from work when two pit bulls started running toward him. Thinking quickly, he used his wits and found a solution by climbing onto the top of the car. The young thief was confident he had learned how to unlock doors. He grabbed his tools and approached the door. Wanting to test his knowledge, the young thief managed to unlock it. This thief also came with the intention of unlocking the door. After struggling with it for a long time, he finally gave up and quickly left the scene. The thief saw the package at the door. He looked around carefully, and no one was in sight. After one last check, he approached the door, grabbed the package, and disappeared. This man knocked on the door, but when no one answered, he got angry and broke the camera. We don't know why she did it, but the woman decided to steal the flower pot. Without any fear of getting caught, she took the pot and ran away. While the woman was sitting in her yard, two pit bulls started running toward her. The elderly woman quickly ran inside. After the dogs left, she opened her door and told their owners to keep them under control.
Let's go! Get your damn dog! Control them! Control them!
Just as she was saying that, the dogs slipped out of their owners' hands again and started running toward the woman once more.
You need to control your damn dog!
Late at night, this strange man came to the front of the house, knocked on the door, and started looking around. The homeowner was watching from inside, trying to figure out what the man was up to and hoping he would leave. But the man didn't go away for a long time and kept glancing around. Eventually, the confused homeowner asked the man what he wanted.
What's up, man?
Oh, sorry, I was wondering if I can do a little something to drink.
Honey, it is like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I only woke up because my ring came on.
I'm sorry, I was just a veteran, kind of cold.
Babe, I'm sorry. You gotta understand where you're at, babe. You keep wandering up to people's doors, you're gonna get shot.
I'm sorry. I was just...
Sorry, dude. I need you to vacate the premises, please.
Sorry.
We couldn't make sense of what this woman was doing. She entered a stranger's yard and, while muttering to herself, started causing a mess. She didn't leave for a long time and continued doing it.
The kids are like, hooray, Santa Claus and Wendy's there. That was really awkward. So hello, I'm not going to be a bad lady. I just want to say, hi, hello. Hello, bye. I want you to arrest me for taking your shit around the front yard, thinking I'm going to steal your packages, but that is literally mine right here. I wish I could take this. Because it's still alive. It's a gourd. I don't want to stop it. I like this. Because I'm worried about the people in here. I smell the smell.
Answer the door right now. But if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, I like Alexa. She's a real lady. I know her. She's a real girl. Hooray, now you have cool Christmas presents.
You need to get out of here, bro.
See, I just made cool plastic ones.
You need to get out of here.
Why are you so mean to me?
Out of here.
That's exactly what I'm talking about. Your kids believe in Santa Claus now because they know it's real. Oh, you stoked about that? Why not?
Out of here.
Oh, you're cute. What?